Okay, good morning, class. Today we're looking at exponents and indices, or exponents or indices. We're looking at the second part of example. It's too big now. Okay, so we went through all of this. We're looking at example for exercise 3. On page 33. We're going to do the second lot, and the heading for today is removing brackets. Removing brackets. In chapter 2, we have already seen that, right? So what you're going to do is, you're going to complete these two sums for me quickly, okay? Okay, so in chapter 2 we have already seen that 2 into a plus b plus c can be written as? This can be written as what? 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Why couldn't I have added that? Unlike those. Can I now add this in turn? No, why? Unlike those. We're not terms like. When it has the same variables. Okay? Now we can do this. Since we have done exponents, we can now do this. Again, these lines means to multiply. So what's 2x squared times 3x cubed? 6x to exponent 5, yes? Remember, when you're multiplying and bases are the same, I add the exponents. So what's 2x squared times 5x? Sorry, 2x squared times 5x. 2 times 5 is 10, yes? X? X squared times x is x cubed. You all agree with that? Plus 2x squared times 1. 2x squared. Any confusion? Is there any confusion, people? No? Here's the first one I would like you guys to do quickly. So we've got 5a into a plus b plus c. What will this be? Let's start with, let's go in front. Where did we stop yesterday? You didn't move around yesterday. Alright, we'll start with, let's go for in front.
5a squared.
Yes.
Plus 5b.
5.
Plus 5b.
5b is?
Plus 5c.
Plus 5c. You all agree with that?
No, sir.
No. Why not? Of course.
So because aren't you gonna add the a?
The a must also be in here. Why? Not O, it's a A. Yes. So 5a times b, 5ab. 5a times c, 5ac. Now, do you guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here's the next one. Number 2. Got 2x cubed into x squared plus xy plus 3. again we're going to multiply out. Yes, my girl? 2x to the exponent 5, yes?
Plus 2x squared.
So 2x cubed times xy is going to give you 2x. 2x to the exponent?
5.
4, yes. Is that right? 4y plus?
Plus 6x cubed.
Correct. So 2x cubed times 3 is 6x. Who got that sum wrong? You get it wrong? No. If that was going to say who got it right? Anybody get the sum wrong? Where did you go wrong, Michael?
I added the exponents. Wait.
Yeah, we did add the exponents.
Oh, I added wrong. Sorry.
Okay, so what was your answer?
I said I wrote 2x5
Yeah?
plus 2x cubed, sorry. Squared.
2x cubed. So you wrote a 3 here.
Yes.
Okay, cubed. But remember, there's a 1 here, and then what did you write?
And I wrote 6x cubed.
Okay, so that was the one mistake. Any other mistakes? Alright. Just remember, when you're multiplying and bases are the same, I must add the exponents. Okay. Here's the next one, number 3. You got 2y squared into 2y plus 5y squared. The bracket stands for multiplication. Can I add that two terms inside the brackets? No. Why not? Unlike terms. Okay. You got at the back and you see. Not drop. Here's the seat right here. I'm smelling nice today. Nobody has to. Today, not that bad. Come sit here. Alright. Next.
6y cubed.
So you're going to first multiply that out, yes? So 2y squared times 2y is 6y cubed, yes?
Plus 15y.
3y squared times 5y squared is what?
15y.
15y. You all agree with that? Who got that sum wrong? You got it right. Okay. People number 4. Number 4, we got 3a into a plus b plus 2. Those brackets plus 4a into 2a plus b plus 3. Write that down and then you do it quickly. Right, Ms. Jeffrey?
3a.
So you're going to just multiply 3a by a, 3a by b, 3a by 2, which gives us 3a squared, yes?
3ab
Plus 3ab, yes? Plus 6a. You all agree with that? Does 3a get multiplied with the second bracket, people? Why not? They're separate terms. We need to simplify terms first. So when we multiply this out, it's 4a times 2a, 4a times b, and 4a times 3. Go for it, Michael. Plus 8a squared, yes? Plus 4ab, plus 12. You all agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Do we stop there?
No, sir.
Why not?
They are like terms.
They are like terms. Not so. So we are your like terms. 3a squared with 8a squared. 3ab with 4ab. And 6a with You all agree with that? So what is 3a squared plus 8a squared? 11a squared. What is 3ab plus 4ab?
7A.
Plus 7ab. And 6a plus 12a is?
18A.
Who got that right? Where'd you go wrong, Michael? Yes.
So I just forgot to like multiply the B in the first bracket.
The b. So you got 3a here.
No, so I just wrote
3b.
no, it's just B.
You just wrote b. And you just wrote 2 here. You wrote 6a.
Yes.
Okay, so he's clear, what's the name? Miscalculation. But you got 4ab here.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. You probably just missed the 3a. Okay, anybody else? You made any mistake? You didn't do this step here. You must remember in mathematics, we are always going to simplify. Okay? Unless they ask you for something equivalent fractions or something like that. But if but this instruction would always be to simplify. So you're always going to write it in the simplest form. Okay? Yes, Michael?
So I didn't do the step you said
This one here?
The 6 and
This here? So you got 3a squared plus 3ab plus. So you didn't do this. So you didn't have this term. So you got 8a squared plus 4ab plus 12a. Did you rule these lines here? Huh? Okay. So it probably just a slip in this case. Anybody else? Alright. Here is one more. Yeah. Number 5. Right. Do that one quickly. You got 4a squared b into 2a plus b plus 3ab into 4a squared plus ba. I'm going to pause the video at this point. Alright. Okay, so I marked your books already, no? Right, you. Go for it. So you're going to say 4a squared b times 2a, and then 4a squared b times b, and then 3ab times 4a squared, and then 3ab times ba. Right, go for it, Michael.
8.
8
8A cubed.
b is plus
B squared.
5b squared.
Oh, my bad.
You bad, yeah, very bad.
Okay. No sub. Sorry. Plus.
Plus, yes? I got the plus here.
Okay, no, yeah, no, okay, 4a squared plus b squared
Okay.
plus 12a cubed
5a cubed.
b
Yes.
plus 3a squared b squared.
Okay. You all agree with that?
Yes,
Who got that wrong? You got it wrong, okay? You made many mistakes by the sound of it. But did you add this together first? Yeah, you.
So I didn't do.
Well, what did you write? Just read for me. What did you write?
I wrote 8a cubed b squared
Yeah, and then?
plus 12a cubed b
Huh?
plus 3a squared b squared.
Okay, so this was fine.
Yeah, it's just that.
So you added that first. You brought that together to give you 2ab.
I did that.
Because in your head you must have. Because 2ab times 4a squared b, that is 8a cubed b squared. I don't know else how did you get that. You understand? So you must have made that mistake somehow. But people, is this your answer here?
Yes.
No. He says yes, this is not your answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what do we do? Like terms. So 8a cubed b and 12a cubed b. Not so? 4a squared b squared and 3a squared b squared. So what is 8a cubed b plus 12a cubed b? 20a cubed b plus 4a squared b squared plus 3a squared b squared, 7a squared b squared. What's 3 plus 4? And when we're adding and subtracting, the variables stay the same.
Yes, please.
Okay? Yes, Michael?
It's the cycle test on Tuesday, maybe for more.
I'll pray for you. No? Right, division of polynomials by a monomial. People, if we have 8 plus 2 divided by 2, is now the part 3 of this, okay? Part 3. People, there's one of two ways I can do it. I can first add it. And what's 8 plus 2? 10. And 10 over 2 is? 5. You all agree with that? Otherwise, what I could have done was I could have put each one over its own, which is 8 over 2 plus 2 over 2. What's 8 over 2? 4. 2 over 2? 1. What's 4 plus 1? Huh. Same answer. So we could add before we divide, or we can divide before we add. You all agree with that? So I can do either or. You all agree, no? Why? Because the answers are the same. Okay. Did you write the heading there?
Yes, sir.
So let's look at the next question. Could I apply the first method I did here to the sum?
No, sir.
Why not?
For the unlike terms.
They are unlike them. So I can't add before I divide. Can't. Okay? So what must I do? I must divide them first. So in other words, I will have 6a over 2 plus 4b over 2. So what can happen here? 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6? 3 times. So that is 3a over 1, which is 3a plus. 2 going into 2 once, 2 going into 4? Twice. So that's 2b over 1, which is? Can I add them? Why not? Yes, Michael.
So trying to tell us that we always have to apply that one.
Is that what I'm trying to say, people?
No, sir.
You just you ask the question and you just answer the question. What's wrong with you? What am I trying to say? Is that if you can't do that first, then we follow this route. Okay? But if you can, then you can add. Like for argument's sake, if this had read 6a plus 4a over 2. What is 6a plus 4a? 10a. And 10a over 2 is? 5. So you see, they apply that method first. Okay? But I could have done this method here, it doesn't matter. I put each one over its own, it's going to be 6a over 2 plus 4a over 2, which is 3a plus 2a, which is 5a anyway. So, at times I can choose whichever one I want to do first, but in these times where I would have to do the one method. But I could only do one method. Alright, anything else? Alright. Let's look at the next one. Here's the rule. And give you a chance to write that down. It says here, when dividing, oops, this rule is fairly large. When dividing a numerator, a polynomial with unlike terms by a monomial, divide the monomial into each term of the numerator. Okay, I'm going to pause the video again at this point, and also I'm going to put the next sum up, so that I don't want these videos to be too long. Okay, you guys are already not watching this stuff. No, well, these people from other schools, okay. Right. So let's look at the first one. We're going to write each one over its own, not so. So what do we get? 8a over 2 plus 6b over 2 plus 10c over 2. So 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 8, 4 times. So it's going to be 4a over 1, which is 4a. You all agree with that? 2 goes to 2 once, 2 going to 6, thrice. So it's 3b over 1, which is 3b plus. 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 10, 5 times. It's 5c over 1, which is. Okay, is there any confusion there? Let's do the next one. We'll put the next two on the board same time. Again, I'm going to pause the video. Alright, so for number 2, what do we get? Let's do it together quickly. What do we get for number 2? 3a squared over 3 plus. That's what? 6ab over 3 plus. 3 over 3. Yes. Or is it 9? I'm cancelling it out in my head already. Okay. So people, 3 goes into 3 once, 3 going to 9, 3 times. So it's going to be 3a squared plus. 3 going to 3 once, 3 going to 6 twice. So it's going to be 2ab plus. 3 over 3. Going to give you 1. Yes?
When you write it in the exam, does it always have to, do you always have to discontinue first taking that answer?
Whichever one you want to do. If you are comfortable from going straight into the answer, no problem. But I'm not comfortable yet. No? This is what we call the foolproof method. Any fool can get it right. Okay. I don't say you guys are fools, no? Before Monday come and we got a few parents here, why you call my daughter a fool? Right. So what do we get? 8a cubed over 2a squared plus. 4a5 over 2a squared plus. 2a squared over. So what does that simplify into? 2 going into 1, 2 going to 8, 4 times. This is a cubed over a squared. So that completely cancel was 2 of that 3 there. Not so. Okay, so what happens is 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 8, 4 times. So if I got a cubed over a squared, what would that be? A to the 1. And that's what I'm doing here. That's going to give you a to the 1. So it's 4a plus. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 going to 4 twice. So it's 2. So what's a5 over a squared? A cubed. Okay. Plus. 2a squared going to a squared once, 2a squared going to a squared once. So this is 1 over 1, which is? Do you guys understand? Last one. Number 4. I'm going to tell you what is homework now for the weekend, okay? Don't miss me too much over the weekend. Right, so where do we go with this one? Each one of its own. Okay, 16a squared b cubed over 8a squared b squared. Plus 4ab cubed over 8a squared b squared. Plus 8a squared b over 8a squared b squared. So what I do, I just simplify from here. 8 goes into 8 once, 8 goes into 16 twice. A squared over a squared is 1. Cancel. B cubed over b squared, b. So let's put that b. So it's 2b plus. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 8 twice. So what do we notice here? We've got 1 over 2. Where's there more A's? Bottom. 2 minus 1 is 1. Where's there more B's? On top. So it'll be to the 1. Plus 8 cancels 8. A squares cancel A's. A squared. Where's there more B's? Bottom. So it goes to the bottom. So the 2 minus 1 is 1. And this is a 1. Okay. As you can see, that was 1 over 1 for 8. Okay. People, for homework, I would like you guys to do exercise 3 on page 31. You're going to do for me, on 33, sorry. You're going to do number 2 and 3. Because yesterday you have done 1. Okay. Page 33.